by the authority delegated to me by our school's division superintendent, Dr. Roy C. Tubalia, as surrogate supervisor of Salog District, and after having been accepted and certified by your school principal, Dr. Yolanda Cunton, that these 333 candidates for graduation have satisfactorily completed the K-12 curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education, I hereby accept you and confirm you as graduates of Batch 2024 of Salog National High School. Congratulations to everyone.